Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very lovely recipe to share with you. This is a native food that is very popular among the people of Cross River State and Akwa Ibom State in Nigeria. Growing up, this was one of my favorite food as a child, and even up till now, I still like it. The name is Oto Mboro, or banana porridge in English, and it's so delicious, healthy, and rich. So don't go anywhere. Sit back and watch till the end. This meal is made using unripe banana. To begin, let's peel our unripe bananas. To make it easier, slice off both ends. Then run your knife gently along the ridges. Peel off the skin carefully. It can be a bit sticky, so you might want to rub your hands in a little oil before peeling. If there are still peels stuck to your banana after peeling with hands, use knife and scrape it off to get rid of all of them. If this is your first time of seeing my video, you're very welcome. Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on your notification button. We have a lot of nice recipes to share with you. For those that have been here already, thank you so much for staying around. Once you're done scraping off the peels from your banana, go ahead and wash it to be clean, and it's ready to be blended. You might notice the bananas turning black after peeling. That's absolutely normal. Oxidation takes place when the peeled banana meets the fresh air. Natural enzymes react and cause it to darken. To prevent your bananas from darkening, keep the pieces in salted water till you're ready to cook. I cooked mine immediately after peeling the bananas. Put your banana in a blender with no water and blend till smooth. If you don't have a blender, you can use hand grater to grate it. In whichever method you choose to adopt, just ensure that you have a smooth puree or close to smooth puree at the end. Now let's get into the cooking proper. I started by pouring some water and beef stock into my pot and bringing it to a boil. It's perfectly okay if you don't have beef stock. You can just make use of water alone. If I am to go with the traditional standard of this recipe, the signature ingredients that should not be missed in this recipe is periwinkle with shell, crayfish, and scent leaf. But if you're living in an area that you can't find this, feel free to substitute it with any protein or leaf of your choice. Prep your ingredients while waiting for the water to boil. Once the water is boiled, I went in with my blended peppers, seasoning cubes, salt, blended crayfish, dried fish, shredded beef, and onions. Now stir to combine and taste to see if the ingredients are perfect. If it's not, adjust the seasoning to your preference and allow to boil for some time. Once that is done, go in with your banana puree. Some people pour in everything together and mix it with a turning stick. Well, that will still give you the result, but I like my own to be a little lumpy. That's why I'm using spoon to scoop it in, just the way you see me do. You can also do this with your hand, just bit by bit till you're done with all the puree. Make sure you don't stir immediately after adding the puree. You have to cover it and allow it to cook properly so that everything will incorporate together and the lump will form well. Have you ever tasted Oto Mboro before? Or is it something you would like to give a try? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Once you're done adding your banana puree, go in with your palm oil, cover it, and allow it to cook for the next 5 minutes. Now look at what we've got. Did you see how beautiful and lumpy it is? That's exactly how tasty and delicious it turned out to be. Now go in with your leaves. Scent leaf is preferable, but since I didn't have, I made use of kale. You can also use ugu leaf or any leaf of your choice. Go ahead and stir it and it's ready to be served. This was so delicious. Everyone in the house loved it. To tell you the truth, it didn't last a day. If you like what you're seeing, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.